Good morning, fifth grade. It is Friday, which means it's Social Studies Day. We are going to keep working on our Revolutionary War Wax Museum project. So you should have your research notes done and your scripts written by today. Your script was your assignment for last week. I told you I really wanted it done by Friday. Hopefully you're staying on top of this project. Otherwise you'll have a lot of work to cram into the last couple weeks of school. So today you are going to make the background that you will use for your presentation. So it'll be a timeline. You already have your data found for your timeline. Remember, you did it on your research notes down at the bottom of that page. Everybody should have that done. If you don't, then that was in your emailed missing work last week. I made sure everybody had their notes done. So if you didn't, then maybe go check your email. Make sure you have those 6 dates found at the bottom of your research notes. You're going to create a 1-page timeline. I know when you did your timeline for the Seeds of Revolution paper, I let you put a different event on every slide. For this assignment, it's got to be 1 page. Okay, so either 1 slide or you can do a poster and picto chart. Those are your 2 options for this week. There's going to be 3 things on your slide. You're going to include all of your dates. That's the first thing, all 6 of those dates. Your person's name and a picture of them. So you can just search online to find a picture, copy 1 picture that you feel like is a good one of them. I don't need a picture to go along with your dates. I don't need any other picture. You can put a background if you want to make it a certain color, but don't make it too crazy. We want it to be pretty simple and easy to see and read because it will be the background for your presentation. Okay. So once you have that done, you're going to upload your timeline here, and you need to have this done by next Friday. And that's going to be our goal because the week after that is the last week of school. And you're going to have an opportunity to watch your presentations from your peers. Okay. I gave you a little reminder to make sure your script is done. So you might click on that and double check. If you need to use Epic to find some more information, you can do that. I've also had a lot of people using other resources, and that's totally fine. We worked really hard this year on determining reliable resources online. So if you want to go through and see if you can find some more information on an online source, that's absolutely fine. Don't forget about your journal and your bonus activities here. Hangouts today are going to simply be homework help. I'll hop on for about 30 minutes before our fun day. So if you need some help and you only get on in the morning, you can hop on between 9 and 9:30. I can give you some help. And then I'll be on from 1 to 2 this afternoon. So Fridays are a really nice day to hop on to Hangouts. It's a good day to just hop on and hop back off. Oftentimes we just work. We all just work together. We'll mute our screens and you'll ask questions as you need some help. But it's a good day to get caught up on work, and you can double check with me about what's missing. So if you have not come to a Friday Hangout, that's a really great option, especially that 1 to 2 time. It's a good chunk of time that if you're a little bit behind with your work, hop on from 1 to 2 today, okay? It's a great opportunity to get caught up, and I will be sitting right there answering questions and helping you as you go. We have a fun activity planned for you today for Fun Friday from 9:30 to 10:30. Hop on our link at 9:30 and we'll play or have a fun activity for you, I guess I should say. So hop on, we'd love to see you there. That's all I have for you today. I hope you have an awesome Friday. We'll see you later.